Safety isn't just about avoiding accidents. It's about creating a culture where hazards never become incidents. Companions General Safety VR training transforms how your team approaches workplace risks. Our immersive simulations put workers face-to-face with common hazards, from slippery floors to cluttered walkways, teaching them to spot dangers before they cause harm. They'll practice selecting and properly wearing essential PPE that turns potential injuries into near misses. Through realistic virtual scenarios, your team masters safe navigation through high-risk areas, proper equipment handling, and emergency evacuation procedures, all while building muscle memory that kicks in when split-second decisions matter. Our technically accurate training reinforces safety protocols through hands-on practice, ensuring compliance becomes second nature. The result? A workforce that doesn't just follow safety rules, they understand why those rules save lives. Don't wait for accidents to improve your safety culture. Partner with Companions today and watch as prevention becomes your team's default setting. Because in safety, practice doesn't just make perfect, it makes everyone go home unharmed.